So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mitchell on the bottom, Shane on top.
Nice. These are the cards that you could literally get a diamond, which is absurd. Who needs autos when you can get diamonds?
There aren't many cards you can get jewelry from, so
No.
it's certainly one of them.
I think that should be like a more common thing, where a card has something like a wearable in it. Like a necklace or a chain or, I don't know, a pin. I feel like they'd be cool.
I would like the ornament on a ring.
Ooh. Yeah, that should have been the magic card. It should have just been the actual ring.
Oh my god. Oh.
That would have been so cool.
I was actually thinking back to that stream because it was actually quite a nice broadcast, and then thank goodness it wasn't ruined by my reaction if we got the ring.
All right. We have Rock'n'Roll Cassia. Oh my god, the cubes! I forgot about the cubes. There's a Mephisto. We have a Tacita, Jen Stormstout, and Oriel. And hello, Andrew. How you doing? Messi. Lady Vashi. Whoa, Widowmaker emote. Hell yeah. Sigma, Rexa, and Orgrim Doomhammer. I also forgot how annoying the names are. We have Malagos, Reinhardt, a cube of Duriel, a drone, Alexei Stukov, and Gada. Ooh. Oh, it's one of the book cards, okay. We have one of the, it's Hearthstone that does them, right? I think.
Oh, I think so.
One of the properties, and Arena. Uther, Lightringer, Zenyatta. Oh, another cube of Lyric. We have Joanna, Artanis, and Senjin. Velen, Lily, Baptiste Ultimate Ready, Meki, Lurker, and Elaine Rin. Blackthorn, Khadgar. Ooh, Art of Samwise Jaina. Baneling, Indariel, and Dintark. Illidan, Kira, Andariel Cube, the Lost Vikings, Diablo, and Illidan Stormrage. Malfurion Stormrage. Oh, we have Zerg Warbanner. Okay, Jaina Proudmore, Spectral. And Tychus Finlay. Hello, Ivan. How you doing? We have Manaroth, Garrosh Hellscream, Khadgar, Gul'dan, Valyrian Mengsk, and Tyrande Whisperwind. Bastion, the Lost Vikings. We have BlizzCon from 2018. Oh, that's when Ash was introduced. Hell yeah. We have Alexei Sedukov, Archmund, and Sylvanas Whisperwind. Sorry, Windrunner. It's the same thing, right? We have Torbjorn, Enduring Wind, Adria, Cube, Ball, Cedia, and Marine. Akama, Tychus Finlay, Widowmaker Ultimate Ready, Orphea, Gul'dan, and Baneling. We have Zul, Morgul, Zul'jin, Malfurion Stormrage, and Hydralisk. Mecha Jaraxxus, Arana Starseeker, Cube of Diablo, The Lost Vikings, Dark Wanderer, and Mezul. Rengar, Earth Fury, Doomfist, Sombra Ultimate Ready, Medivh, Deathwing, and Tyrell. We have another Hearthstone book and Tyrell. Blackthorn, Alexstrasza, Imperius. We have Khadgar, Kargath Bladefist, and Mal'Ganis. Hello, Blake. We have Avatar, Terran Warbanners, Danath Trollbane, and Kalthas Sunstrider. Enduring Rin, Chen Stormstout, Illidian, Hydralisk, Varrock Saurfang, and Queen of Blades to finish us off.